If you wind up losing data, stop what you're doing, take that drive, thumb drive, hard drive, whatever it is, put it to the side, leave it alone. Have you ever accidentally deleted a thumb drive or an SD card or a micro SD card? Maybe you had a power outage or something and something happened and your computer crashed and you think that you lost all your information that was on there, your pictures, your videos, everything that's on there. So me personally, I think losing data like that, photos, videos, just things that you have accumulated over years, this gone, just wipe that away. Messing around with computers and stuff, that's just, to me, one of the worst feelings in the world. So in this video, we're going to go over a software called Stellar Data Recovery. So this software allows you to recover accidentally deleted files, photos, and documents, bring back lost files from encrypted or corrupted drives, access data from unbootable devices. So basically when I was saying earlier with the power outage or whatever and your computer crashed, you can grab it back. Scan and preview files before recovery. It supports all storage devices as in hard drive, PC laptops, SSDs, external drives, USB, and SD cards. And then here is all the file types and formats that this software supports. And this is supported on Windows and Mac. So Stellar offers Windows data recovery, Mac data recovery, photo recovery, iPhone data recovery, and Android data recovery. It supports photo repair and video repair, and also iPhone eraser. Okay, so now that you know what the software is and what it does, let me go ahead and show you how to use it. So one thing I do like about Stellar is they do give you a free preview right here. You download it, and once you download it, you can scan the hard drive, thumb drive, or whatever you're trying to recover. Make sure that it's going to recover the files that you need before you actually spend any money on their software. So the plan that I am using is the individual professional plan right here, and this is everything that I get in this plan right here. So I get to recover photos, videos, and other files, recover from any storage media, advanced partition recovery, BitLocker data recovery, unbootable system data recovery, recover any file format, create image options from badly corrupted hard drives, recover data from CD and DVD. Everything else in here, video repair, photo repair, and RAID, I do not get on this one here, so I cannot answer any questions upon this right here. I didn't see the need for this. I might come back later on and get video repair since I deal with a lot of videos and photos, so I might want to go ahead and grab this one, which is just their next tier up, which is the premium, which allows you to get the video and photo. So as we're in their software right here, you can recover everything, all data. You can do a custom scan. You can scan for office documents, emails, audio, photo, or just video. Then your next section down is you can recover from what drive. So here's my drives right now, but my SD card is not in here. I'm actually going to put it in my SD card. As you notice, as soon as I plug it up, it is actually searching for it and refreshing my list to my SD card. So now it has my SD card on here. Okay, here's some general settings in here. So the next section down is we have add raw file formats. Go ahead and click on that. So here's all the file formats that it accepts. And then you can also come in here and add other file formats if you don't see yours in here. So what I'm going to do on this one right here, I'm going to go ahead and uncheck all this, and I'm going to look just for video files for this. And then we're going to recover from, I'm going to choose this drive right here because this is the drive that I just plugged in. This is my SD card that goes into my camera. And I'm going to go ahead and hit scan. Down here at the bottom, you see that your time elapsed, and of course, how much time is saying that you have left, and your percent is right here in the middle. If you click here for scanning details, it lets you know that we're scanning J, phase 1 of 4. There's going to be 4 phases, scanning the files and the folders. So we're going to go ahead and we're going to let this scan, and then I'll be right back as soon as this is done scanning, going through all 4 phases. Okay, so now it's complete. And now it shows you what it's found. So go ahead, and in case you didn't find what you're looking for, please click on Deep Scan at the bottom. Go ahead and click OK. I know this is where my actual video clips is right here. Okay, so what I'm going to do here is I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to check one of these, and I'm going to go ahead and hit recover. And now it's going to ask me where to save it to. Remember, never save it back to the drive that you are using. You want to use a different drive. So what I'm going to do is I'm actually going to open up my file explorer. I'm going to go to this PC. I'm going to let's go to F, and I'm going to go right here, new folder, and I'm going to just name this Stellar Backup. Okay. Go ahead and close that out. And then I'm going to browse here. And then where do I want to go? I want to go to F, Stellar Backup, and select folder. And then we're going to go ahead and save it. Okay, now it says the data has been saved successfully to the selected destination. All right, so now that I recovered that, now what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and go back and find where that was. This PC, we're going to go back to F, we're going to go back to Stellar, the root, private, root, and here is the clip that I have. It is a horrible footage of something. This is something I deleted. I was doing a review of this GameSir remote control, doing me some B-roll footage, and I deleted it just for this video here, just so I can get it in here. Okay, so I showed you on a small scale. I showed you on this memory card right here. So now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna show you on a bigger scale. I got a M.2 in here, SSD, and I'm gonna plug this up and we're gonna see what we can pull off of this M.2. Okay, so now I'm sitting back at my dashboard. I'm gonna go ahead and plug it in. There it goes. Now it's refreshing the drive list. Please wait, because now it's trying to find the drive itself. Okay, so it's all popped up and there is nothing on this hard drive. We're gonna go ahead and hit empty, and then here it is. This is a 1 terabyte Western Digital SN850 X, actually. I don't know why they don't have the X in there, but here it is right here. Okay, so next what we're gonna do is we're gonna go to what to recover. What do we wanna recover? I'm gonna go ahead and do all data on this one. Go ahead and hit next, and then it asks what drive. So here it is right here, because it is a portable. And then we can also do deep scan as well. Go ahead and hit scan. Scan complete successfully. 668 gigabytes of data. So as you see in the video there, everything works like it's supposed to. It recovers everything. Now, there is a caveat though. Everything is not without flaw. The only flaw I see is with their plan, how they have it structured. So for the professional one, you can't repair any videos or photos. So you're gonna have to move up to their premium plan in order to repair any videos or photos. So if for something happened, you lost your stuff and somehow you rewrote over that same drive, then that's the main cause of not being able to recover from a recovery software like this. But having that feature though in a software, which is hard to find. I've been trying to recover a hard drive for 2 years because I can't find one, and now I'm kind of curious, so I'm going to probably upgrade to the next one. So don't forget to like and subscribe, because I want to see if I can literally pull my photos that I literally lost 20 something years of photos that's on an external drive. And that's what I want to do. I want to be able to get these photos off. It's nice to be able to get my data. So any type of documents, PDFs, all that stuff, you can get all that back from any type of drive, whether it was the memory card. And as you've seen, even on the memory card, I was able to pull a video. The reason why I was able to pull that video is because I didn't rewrite over it. Now, if that was a video that I put in my camera and I was already rewriting over it, I wouldn't have been able to do that. But every video that I went to on my SD card, I was able to get because I just deleted it before I did the video. Now, if I go record right now, go outside and start recording with my camera in video mode, then it's gonna rewrite that image over it, which there again corrupts it. I can't really blame it on Stellar for it, but not all software can recover from rewritten data. So you gotta make sure that you're looking at your data correctly. So if you have any of these type of problems, if you wind up losing data, stop what you're doing, take that drive, thumb drive, hard drive, whatever it is, put it to the side, leave it alone. Do not mess with it. If you have sensitive material or personal material on there that you need back, leave it alone and play around with software until you find one. And again, that's what I liked about Stella, is you can literally test it out and see what files that it finds and if it's corrupt or not corrupt. But all in all, I do believe that this software is 100% worth it for the simple fact of recovering all your other files. And it does find videos, it does find photos. It just cannot repair corrupt ones unless you go up to their premium plan. All in all, 100% satisfied with the software. I enjoy the software. Now I just need to get the other software to see if I can repair my photos and videos. I'm Thomas with Tomology. If you like these honest reviews, go ahead and check out this one right here, and don't forget to like and subscribe.